right. So Seb has done lots and lots of work during the last few months. Even I haven't done any videos. We have been super busy and we are very close to register the Moog. So I will show you around, we'll show you a few details, and we'll also show you how it looks inside. It's not everything finished inside, but yeah, we will be able to register it very soon, and then we can progress with the work. But then we can, in the meantime, we can go for camping. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. We have windows. The door is finished as well. But let's have a walk around. The roof inside the cabin is nearly done as well. Just a quick look. If you have any questions while watching the video, just put your questions in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Also about what you think about the work Seb has done so far. The mirrors are done as well. He has done all the plumbing. Let's have a look in here. This is our outside shower with cold and warm water connection. Our water in the garage all done. This is the other side of the garage. So now let's get inside and I will show you around in the box. Seal all around. Inside now. This is the back of the box of the truck. Large bed. We have a really nice, comfortable large bed. Is 1.8 meters wide by, I think it's 220 or 230, but we will have storage built in here for clothes or whatever. Probably going to have some overhang cupboards there as well. So there is a light. The second one will go on the other side, obviously. Already working. The roof or the ceiling. We have a nice opening. We will still get a fly screen in here. Below the bed we have some cupboards, and behind the cupboards there is the garage below the bed. So here some cupboard shelves, whatever. Bathroom. The plumbing is nearly done. Just needs some finishing. And also here this wall will be finished. Already light in here. Working. So when we turn the light on, the fan is going on as well. We have a cupboard, room or whatever. We will see. Maybe we put some shelves in here. So next to the bathroom we have the sitting area, which is raised, so we have some storage underneath in here. I will have to do some cushions. The table is ready. I love this color. We are going to have a floor very similar to the table. So color wise, this is the walkthrough. All finished as well here from this side. Oh yeah, and here is the electric. All connected, done, everything ready. The cooking plate. However, we will mostly aim always to cook outside because we love cooking outside, sink, water, and drinking water as well in here. The same top as the table. I love the windows, by the way. Okay, so yeah, the kitchen. We will have drawers in here. Here the plumbing. Also done. Water filters. Fridge, freezer. Nice, pretty large fridge and 2 drawers, freezer. Small oven to bake some fresh rolls for breakfast or so. Might be very handy. And more electric. Which is leading here to the control panel. And we are here back at the door. And I also show you the roof in here, the ceiling. And the lights. Window there for the cross ventilation. The box is very well insulated, even though outside is very hot. You don't feel it here at all. So to wrap it up, we still need a few things like the fronts, the drawers, thinking what we do with the back, probably just the cushions. So it will brighten up nicely. Still not sure about the color of the cushions. And we need the door in here. Maybe some shelves. We need the door in here, finishing up the bathroom. So still a few things to be done, but we are very, very close. The floor needs to be done. Okay guys, so I think that's about it for today. Let me know what you think. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of the Unimog, what we do, the progress, and then when we go with it finally. And so I will do the videos as well. Wishing you all the best with all your projects, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.